Things we do for YouTube, bro.
Upload for the document.
I don't know if I caught him in
Thing out of the wallet. And
Oh god, yeah, that's your.
okay, who called it?
It's Devontae.
I'm gonna swipe my sugar daddy's card. Boom. Take a sip. Cheers. I'm a little sus on Jay because he did not vote Scott, and I was a little sus on him before, so I have a feeling it's Jay.
Sorry
Here
for
it
that
is.
rain in the
Cheers.
background.
Oh
guys.
god, it's actually a lot. It's like a sip every in like not even 30 seconds.
Excuse me.
Cheers. What is this? Navigation.
Bitch.
Oh god. Yeah, that's your.
Okay, who called it?
Let's go.
Replay Jay.
Yes.
What we doing in admin right now?
I just did the little thing where I took the thing out of the wallet and I swiped it. That's exactly what I
It
did.
sounds pretty convincing.
That sounded
I don't know. I
sus.
just, the reason I say is because I ran to admin real quick and it looked like he came from where the vent was.
No, I didn't come out of the vent. I did two tasks in admin. I did that one and then I did the one on the wall.
What was the one on the wall?
Yeah, it was on the wall.
What was the one on the wall?
What was the one on the wall, Jay?
I don't know if I caught him in the active vid, but
Jay, what was the one on the wall?
I can't. I don't actually remember what the
No, that's it. That's all I need.
I swear to God,
How much?
That's all I need.
it was either the upload for the documents.
My laugh, I'm sorry.
No, you got no clue. 5 times. It was upload. It was like the upload thing. It was the thing with the documents. I'm telling you, skip it.
Alright. Okay, if this doesn't win, Joe, I'm hella sus at you because you didn't even vote for him. You're the one that called him out. But alright.
I know.
I'm living Among Us to do.
Yo, Joe Biden is sus in this game. Cheers, guys. Alright, I'm finishing my task, so.
Oh?
Don't leave me in here with one person. Damn it! No way!
That's weird.